Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. My name is Gary, and today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a potato boat in your oven. Your potato should be set up at 350 degrees for 90 minutes or an hour and a half. This one is almost ready to come out right now. In this video I'm going to show you how to chop off the top, how to peel the potato out, and how to put in some vegetables. This is part of the starch solution diet, so it's going to have 50% vegetables and 50% starch. We're not going to measure it accurately like a scientist. We're going to just do visually the 50%. I'm just going to estimate it. In the microwave video, I showed you how to make these in the microwave. These were put in for 5 minutes. Then I had to cook each of the vegetables, which took another 5 minutes. And then I had to put it back in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. The little sails just give you a little bit of an example of what you can do to decorate it. So let's get started.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
First thing you need to do is get a mitt. You don't want to get yourself burnt. Take the pan out, put the pit. Oh, see how it goes easily? That's what you want. And once the potato is at the correct temperature, turn off your oven. That way it keeps everybody safe. Carefully remove your potato from the baking pan. You can't reuse this. Once you've used it, throw it away. Take the potato and dump it on your cutting board. Now this is the tricky part. While it's still hot, remove the top. Sometimes it's easier to hold it with a mitt or another fork. You don't need to take a lot off. Sometimes you end up having you can put this back on for decoration later. So this one's got a little nose on the top. Just going to chop off like that. But you don't want it to peel off like what it's doing either. This thing is really hot. Next, take a plate and scoop out the insides. So you could do something like this. Now there's a lot of potato in here. Okay, so what you do is you take, and you have to use a fork, but this just came out of the oven, the microwave. So on your Normandy vegetables, put all kinds of different vegetables in there. You have carrots, you have broccoli, you have 2 different types of carrots, orange and yellow. And that's one of them. On the other one, you could use all broccoli. And broccoli, these big stems, make it like a broccoli boat. So what we're doing here, these are corn tortillas. What I've done is I've cut 2 different sails on them, and I'm frying them in the frying pan to get them warm. So what they're going to do is they're going to sit on top of this potato, this broccoli potato boat, and then as soon as it's ready, I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to put it in like this. And so, well, let's get the sail in the right place. And so then it becomes a very cute little sail, and it's all ready to go and ready to eat. For the next one, we're going to do the same thing. These taste a lot better if they're warmed up. Alright, so let's finish on the other side. Alright, so what we've done here is we have our broccoli Normandy that's on our boat, which we placed Roadhouse herb on it, which is right here, purchased at Trader Joe's. And on this one here, we have our broccoli with, and then what we have on this one is we have fairy honey mustard, also purchased at Trader Joe's. So it gives you another couple ideas of how you make your potato boats. So here you have your microwave potatoes, and then you have your oven baked potatoes. And it gives you an idea on how to be able to make this diet work. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this presentation on how to make a basic oven potato boat. The nice touch about it is that if you can use corn tortillas or some kind of sail, it does make it a little bit more inspiring than just a paper towel like I use on the microwave one. This one keeps on falling off. But the point being is that it's a part of your meal, it's a starch, and it's all good for you. Thanks a lot for watching it, and we'll be making these videos coming out once a week on Wednesday. See you soon. Bye-bye now.
Subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.